In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Copilot conversations to a PDF. Whether you're archiving important chats or simply want to have offline access to your conversations, exporting them to a PDF can be incredibly useful. Let's go through this process step by step to make it as smooth as possible. First off, the key is to start by opening Copilot. If you don't already have it running on your computer, make sure to launch the application from your desktop or search for it in your Start menu. Once it's open, navigate to the conversation you wish to export. This could be a recent chat or something from your history. Just ensure it's the correct one, as this is what you'll be converting into a PDF. Now that you've found the conversation, it's time to copy the text. Simply highlight the text by clicking and dragging your cursor over the entirety of the conversation. Once you have everything selected, right-click and choose Copy from the context menu. Or you can also press Ctrl+C on your keyboard for a quicker approach. Copying the conversation ensures that you have all the necessary content to transfer to a document editing application. Next, you'll need to open a program where you can paste your conversation. Microsoft Word or OneNote are great for this purpose. Both programs provide robust tools for text formatting and document saving. If you're more comfortable with Word, go with that. Otherwise, OneNote works perfectly fine too. Launch your chosen application and create a new document. With your new document ready, you're going to paste the copied text into it. To do this, right-click on the blank document and select Paste from the context menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. You'll now see the entire conversation displayed in your document. Take a moment to make any necessary adjustments to the format or layout, ensuring everything looks just the way you want it. Finally, it's time to save the document as a PDF. In Word, you can do this by clicking on File in the top menu, selecting Save As, and then choosing the PDF format from the drop-down menu as your file type. In OneNote, the process is similar. Navigate to the File menu, and you should see an option to export your page as a PDF. Choose the location where you want to save your file, give it a meaningful name, and click Save. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to effectively export Copilot conversations to a PDF. By following these straightforward steps, your important conversations are now safe and easily accessible in offline mode. Happy exporting!